Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We talk about personal finance and apps that involve money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the OnePay app and how you can use the roundups feature. The roundup feature is when you pay for something and the difference between the highest dollar amount and what you pay is rounded up and put into something of your choosing. This can be savings, it can be crypto, it can be stocks, etc. We're going to show you how to do this using the OnePay app. Start off by opening the app up, and then you want to click on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Once here, just click on your card. Then scroll down and click on Manage Card. From here, click on Roundups, and you'll see a few different options. Right now, my roundups are programmed to go to my savings, but I could just turn that off if I wanted to. And I'm going to make arrangements to have the roundups go to crypto instead. So I'm going to click on crypto. Keep in mind you do need to be signed up for crypto in order for this option to appear. And it's asking me what type of crypto do I want to send my roundups to. I'll use Bitcoin for this example. So I'm going to click on it. And now my roundups have now been programmed to go to crypto. All I need to do is turn it on. And now when I buy something, the roundups will be invested into crypto, in particular, Bitcoin. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new, it's greatly appreciated. And don't forget to like the video. And if you have an interest in using the OnePay app, but you're not signed up, you can do so by using the link in the description or the pinned comment. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.